Hello and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, and today's recipe is turkey. We're going to prepare it in a very delicious way. It has such a rich flavor that it tastes just like meat. I have about 1 kilogram of turkey, using either breast or thigh meat. Use whichever cut you prefer, and here I have 1 tablespoon of mustard. I also have 1 tablespoon of mixed cilantro and parsley. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a squeezed lemon, and 4 garlic cloves. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of ginger, black pepper, and red pepper. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cumin. Now let's move on to the method and prepare the seasoning mixture. I'm adding all the spices and seasonings I just mentioned. As for the turkey, I washed it with lemon. I also used salt and ginger, and this step is essential. Now I'm mixing everything together. This is the marinade. Now I'll start marinating these turkey pieces. Try this method because it gives a wonderful meaty flavor. It turns out really delicious. I'll finish marinating everything and then cover it with plastic wrap. Once fully marinated, leave it in the refrigerator. Keep it chilled for at least 3 hours. You can even leave it overnight before cooking. As I mentioned, I'm leaving it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. After that, I'll continue with the preparation. The turkey should rest for 3 to 4 hours. You can prepare it the night before if you prefer. In the morning it will be ready, and you'll only need the vegetables. I cut small potatoes in half and sliced the carrots into rounds. I also sliced 2 zucchinis and cut the onion into thick pieces. Don't slice the onion too thinly. Divide each half onion into 3 sections. For the vegetables, I have olive oil, paprika, black pepper, and ginger. I also have Italian seasoning and salt to taste. If you don't have Italian seasoning, use a pinch of thyme instead. I mixed all the seasonings together and will sprinkle them over the vegetables. Coat the vegetables evenly. You can use any vegetables you like. Green beans, peas, and colored bell peppers all work well. Feel free to choose whatever vegetables you prefer. Now I'll mix everything together. The vegetables go on the bottom of the dish. Now I'll arrange the turkey pieces on top. I'll add about a quarter cup of water, just a little. The vegetables will release their own moisture while cooking. Now I'll cover the dish. You can also cover it with aluminum foil. I use a large tray placed on top instead. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Cooking time may vary between 45 and 55 minutes. It depends on the turkey and on your oven. Now I'll place it in the oven until it's cooked. Before it's fully done, I'll show you the next step. You'll see how the turkey turns out. The flavor is absolutely wonderful. Now the turkey and vegetables are fully cooked. It's time for the final touch, so I'll remove the cover. Everything is cooked, and I'll brush it with a little honey. The honey adds shine and a wonderful flavor. Use only a small spoonful and spread a light coating. Return it to the oven uncovered for about 10 minutes to brown. Then I'll show you the final result. The turkey and vegetable dish is now ready. I'll transfer it to a serving plate for presentation. This is the final look of our turkey dish. The turkey and vegetables turned out beautifully, and I added fried bell pepper. Now I'll finish with a little fresh parsley. In my oven, the total cooking time was about 1 hour and 10 minutes. That's the full oven time, including the extra time after brushing it with honey. That brings the total to 1 hour and 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy this recipe if you decide to make it. I hope you liked today's dish, and see you in the next video.